Welcome back. In this video, we will be setting up our ad group with Google Ads. So the first thing you want to do is pull a URL. So because you're working with acupuncture, let's just find an acupuncturist website. So you found a website, Acupuncture and Natural Therapies. So we're going to copy and paste that. All right, now that you've copy and pasted it, hit Get Keyword Suggestions. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to our Excel spreadsheet that we made in the past. So here's the keyword list that we made last time. What we're going to do is we'll take some time as we're going to go through the website and we're going to add anything that could be a keyword and put it into Ahref and make an Excel spreadsheet. So after going through their website, we have about 22 or 21 keywords. Really for AdWords, KD doesn't matter as much. What matters is volume, because you're paying for ads. So even if it has a 72 on the KD, that 8,000 volume is really what you want to look for. What we're going to do next is copy and paste all these keywords and put it in our Google Ads. All right, so now that we have our keywords in there, let's save and continue. All right, so now we're in the ad creation phase. So now that we have started working with headlines and we have our URL in there and the description, notice how the ad strength says poor. So what we're going to do now is we're going to get keyword ideas from Google Ads itself to improve our ads. So here's the end result. I want to note two things. One, the ad strength is good, because what I could have done is with this final URL, tailored certain solutions, like for instance, Tai Chi is on a certain page. So you could tailor that solution to where all of your ads are just Tai Chi. But for the homepage, for now, good will do. So what we did is we created our headlines based on our keywords. The big thing here is to not go on what search results are for Ahref, but instead go with search results for Google everywhere, or sorry, keywords everywhere. So here we have 500,000. So obviously we're going to use Tai Chi. Medicinal plants, another one that has 500,000. So we want our keywords to have high search volume. Then we created our descriptions. Safe and natural approaches to help you achieve your highest potential. That one was pulled directly from the website. And let's save the ad. And that's the ad right there. Make sure to hit like, comment, subscribe. And if you'd like me to integrate SEO or Google Ads, please send me an email.